Welcome back to KK Autos. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Jetour X70 Plus, a luxury 7-seater SUV that blends elegance, power, and innovation into one stunning package. This SUV is designed to compete with high-end models while maintaining a price point that makes it a compelling option for those looking for luxury without breaking the bank. From its bold exterior to its tech-filled interior and impressive performance, the Jetour X70 Plus is here to make a statement. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Jetour X70 Plus boasts a modern and futuristic design. The front fascia is dominated by a massive, high-gloss black grille that gives the SUV a bold presence. The sleek LED headlights, integrated seamlessly into the body, feature ultra-detailed black gloss housing, making them stand out even more. The low-profile hood and sharp character lines across the body create a dynamic and sporty appearance. Moving to the side, the X70 Plus impresses with its long and aerodynamic silhouette, emphasizing its 7-seater capability. The Jetour logo is prominently placed at the back, with the nameplate Jetour X70 displayed on both the front and rear number plates. The dual exhaust outlets and sculpted bumper complete the look, making the X70 Plus a truly refined SUV. Stepping inside, the interior is where the Jetour X70 Plus truly shines. The dashboard is a masterpiece of modern design, with a massive floating touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with the digital driver display. The entire cabin is finished in premium leather and high-gloss black materials, exuding a luxurious feel. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with integrated controls, giving the driver a sense of command. The ambient lighting system sets the mood with customizable colors, while the panoramic sunroof adds an open and airy feel to the cabin. The seats are where comfort meets technology. The 7-seater configuration ensures that everyone enjoys a spacious ride with premium quilted leather upholstery and adjustable lumbar support for both the front and second-row passengers. The third-row seats, often overlooked in many SUVs, are surprisingly comfortable and spacious, making long journeys a breeze. For all passengers, the automatic climate control system with individual zone settings ensures maximum comfort regardless of where you sit. When it comes to technology, the Jetour X70 Plus is packed with smart features. The infotainment system supports wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive feel like a concert experience. The SUV is also equipped with AI-powered voice controls, allowing you to adjust climate settings, navigation, and entertainment without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making driving safer and more convenient. Under the hood, the performance of the Jetour X70 Plus doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 250 horsepower and 390 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic, the X70 Plus delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those looking for a bit more adventure, an all-wheel drive option is available, providing better traction on rough terrains. Despite its size, the suspension setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. The fuel efficiency is also impressive for a 7-seater SUV, making it a practical choice for families and long-distance travelers. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Jetour X70 Plus is expected to start at around $25,000 for the base model, making it one of the most affordable luxury SUVs in its segment. Higher trims with premium features and AWD options could go up to $35,000, which is still an excellent value considering the level of luxury, technology, and performance this SUV offers. Overall, the 2025 Jetour X70 Plus is a game-changer in the seven-seater SUV segment. It offers a stunning design, a high-tech and comfortable interior, strong performance, and an attractive price tag. Whether you're looking for a family SUV or a stylish urban cruiser, the Jetour X70 Plus is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments what you think about this SUV. Would you pick this over its competitors? And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for more detailed car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.